everybody, Erica with a K here. This is another DIY video. This one is going to be upcycling my jeans because my jeans have stains on them because I used to work full-time behind the chair as a colorist, hairstylist, etc. And I no longer do, but I do have like bleach stains and stuff on my clothes. And so I just want to show you guys how I'm going to upcycle them so that I'm not wasting them. I really can't donate them because who would wear clothes with bleach on it if you're not a colorist? So I just wanted to make this video so that if you guys have clothes that have stains on them that you can't get out, here's a fun way to upcycle. Now I know a lot of people are going to be like, hey, I don't have those exact jeans, and that's fine. Do what works for you. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so here we go. This is the before. You can see the bleach stain that is like right on my leg, and then we're gonna just put patches on. These are iron-on patches, and I'm gonna walk you guys through exactly how to iron these on. So first thing is first, if you have ADHD and you're like me, I did not do this step, but it's very important. Iron the pants first before you put anything on them to make sure that there's no wrinkles or anything like that. Then you're going to place the patches on where you want them. As you can see, that third patch is the one that has the bleach mark underneath it. And I just put these in an order that I wanted. Also make sure that they're iron-on patches and not sew-on patches if you guys want to do this method. So once you have them where you want them to go, I'm just kind of like trying to organize them in a way that makes it look like it's on purpose. Also make it like cute. I don't know. I feel like I did like a pretty good job. I feel like I'm happy with this pattern here. Once you're happy, you're going to put a towel on top. At first I did a double towel. So like I folded one single towel, but that really doesn't work as well as if you just did a single towel. So you're going to want to do a single towel. Like don't fold it over, just put the single towel on it, and then you're going to put the iron on it. Make sure the iron is at like a medium heat, medium to high heat. And in this part right here, I'm like actually ironing. You do not need to do this. You need to place the iron down on the patch for like 45 seconds. Literally, like, I don't even know what I'm doing. Why am I pressing this in? Literally just put it down and leave it. Just leave it on there for 45 seconds on each patch. You can kind of feel underneath the towel where it is. This was a very thin towel. Make sure you're using something that's a little bit thinner, not too thick, because you really want it to melt the glue on the patch. So you want it to like get on. Okay, if you're doing this and then you lift up the towel and the patch comes with it, you need to leave it on longer. If the patch comes up with it, you need to leave the iron on the towel, on the patch, on the leg longer. So I hope that makes sense. So basically leave it on for 45 seconds each patch. Just leave it. You see how it's just left? I'm not pressing down. I'm not doing anything. I'm just leaving it. I'm not leaving it on for long enough because I want to get this video in without boring you guys to tears. But if you lift it up and the patch is literally coming up with it, sorry, the filming is a little weird on this one. None of the patches were stuck to the towel, but if they were, or if they're lifted like this right here, you got to do it again, and you got to make sure that you really put that towel back on and like really let it sit on there. Again, 45 seconds. You see, this is the one that came up. Okay, then you're going to turn the pants inside out. Once they're all like legit stuck, you might think you're done at that point, but you're not. Turn the pants inside out, and you don't need a towel for this part. You're just going to leave it on each individual one for 30 seconds. Okay, and then this is the actual result, and I'm obsessed. I'm basically obsessed. So if this is what you want to do to your pants, and if you have pants that are similar to this, and this is what you want to do, then this was the tutorial for you. I hope that it helped. Don't wash your pants. I'm gonna say like wait like, I don't know, 24 hours, but probably like an hour is fine. I waited an hour to put on my pants, so I hope this helps. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you found this video useful. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.